Hello everyone, and welcome to the lecture on grouping and naming groups. Okay, let's start by importing our RE module. And let's say I have a string 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is my telephone number. Let's say I have this string. How can I find just the numbers, just this part, from my text string? Let's see how we can do that by using the find all method. So I can say re dot find all, and then r, pass my pattern. So I'm looking for digits, right? So I can pass /d, and then I'm looking for the dash here. Then I'm looking for digit, right? /d. And then in my text string, /d returns a single digit. So I can pass a number. Since there are 3 numbers, I can pass 3 here. So that will look for 3 digits. And then it will look for a dash. And then it will look for, in this case, I need to look for 4 digits. So I can pass 4, right? So this will look for 3 digits, then a dash, then 4 digits. It will look for this pattern. Let's run it. So I get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So to use a group, if we want to group this, we need to include a parenthesis. Okay, let me show you an example. So let me copy, or let's use the search method. So re.search. Okay, and then I have r, what I'm searching for, /d, 3 digits, followed by a dash, and then followed by 4 digits, and then pass 4, right? Then look for that in my text string. So for grouping, we need to pass a parenthesis. So here, I'll group this pattern into 2 groups. So one group here, and then another group here. Okay, let's run this now. Okay, I see that there's a match. Let me store this in an object called m. M will store my search pattern here. So if I print m, I get a match pattern, right, at this memory. Okay, and I can call different methods on my m object. One method is group. Run it. So I get 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can also say m.groups method, m.groups. This will return 2 groups, right? 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2 groups. Or I can call methods on each group. So I can say method on each object m. So I can say m.group. So group 1, that will print 1, 2, 3, which is the first group. Similarly, I can say m.group and pass 2. That will print out the second group. Okay. Now let's see how we can name groups. So here we have 2 groups, right? How can we give specific name for our group instead of just passing or calling it group 1 and 2? For that, we use the following. We use question mark followed by upper P and then the angular brackets and then name of our group. Group name goes here. Okay, this is what it looks like for naming groups. Let me comment this out. Okay, let's give a group name for our example here. Let me copy it. So here I can pass question mark upper P and then name for my group. Let's name it first 3. Close the angular bracket, and then for our second group, here add a question inside the parentheses, question mark followed by P, and then inside our angular brackets, I can say name of our group, let's say next 4, and then close it. Okay. Now we can call those specific group names on our object M. So I can say m.group and then pass in name of our group. Our first group is group 3. Run it, I get 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I can pass the second group name, which is next 4. Run it, I get 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's all about grouping and naming groups in regular expressions. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.